bring you on a journey in building scale models. So stick around, like and subscribe, and please don't forget to share. Thanks! So for today's video, I'm going to be doing something very special. This build is going to be a tribute to my dear late friend, Terry Thacker, as we all lovingly know him as Senior. This is the kit that I will be building. It is a 76 Chevy custom van. I know I can't stay away from these vans, but I want to thank Henry Robs for sending me this kit. Thank you so much, Henry. Without you sending me this kit, I don't know if I would have been able to do this particular build. So I'm really excited to do this. I'm gonna make it very cool, groovy, traditional Jessica fashion. So yeah, guys, let's just jump right in.
Yeah, we rock the party non-stop like this. Yeah, we rock the party non-stop like this. Yeah, we rock the party non-stop like this.
Well, guys, here she is. The Senior Angels Groovy Van. I really hope that Senior is looking down and just loving this thing and smiling from ear to ear. He was a really big part of this community, and he was just such a light in this world. I miss him dearly. I miss him being around in the community. He really kind of held everything together. You know, he was the CA glue, if you will, of this modeling community. And I miss him dearly. I miss his jokes and his funny videos that he would send me to cheer me up. Some of them were so stupid, but I loved them. And I miss him. I miss him a lot. So, yeah, guys. I also want to give a big thank you to Jeff, the Grail Hunter, for sending me these Seniors Angels decals, the custom made ones from STS. Really appreciate it. This build turned out absolutely fantastic. I put all of my heart into this, and yeah, so that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. I hope that all of you have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye.